This week we've been joined by volunteers, fellows and staff members from the SPAB, the Society for the Protection of Ancient Buildings, which are a conservation society. This week they are here doing conservation work on our walled garden and various other bits and pieces around the house.
We're here at Eastbury Manor this week on the SPAB working party, and there are various things going on. We try and get the community involved to learn again how to work on a building that's of interest to them and that's local to them, to learn how to repair it, and slowly, boring old maintenance bit by bit, rather than needing large interventions because something's gone wrong.
All these volunteers here doing vital work on Eastbury, which will make the house more accessible for the local residents. We've got several local residents from Dagenham College here doing work experience and learning from the expert crafters that are here.
We are abseiling on the two south gables of the south facade, painting these beautiful windows up, so adding an extra layer of lime wash to the already existing lime wash. So you could call that building maintenance.
So the reason they're so important to us is that they hold our heritage, they hold keys to what people that went before us do, and we want to maintain them and keep them working. If you were to lose something like this, and this is a rare example of I think a mid-16th century medium-sized house, if you lose that through lack of repair or lack of use, once it's gone, it's gone.